Welcome back to my channel where we make math make sense without the headache. Today we're diving into exponent rules, aka how to make numbers grow crazily fast without using a calculator. Exponents are just repeated multiplication. Instead of writing 2 times 2 times 2, we could just write 2 to the power of 3. Yep, that's that easy. Now, let's break down the most important exponent rules you need to know. So, production rule. Let me write that. Production. Production rule. Oh, product rule. My bad. Product rule. I forgot the name. Product rule. So yeah, first up we have the product rule. If you multiply two powers with the same base, we just add the exponents. So 2 to the power of 3 times 2 to the power of 2 is 2 to the power of 5. How? Well, you just add 3 and 2. You know why that works? Because look, 2 to the power of 3 is really just 2 times 2 times 2. And multiply that by 2 to the power of 2 is just times 2 times 2. And let's count. You guys know how to count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. What is that? 5, right? 2 multiplied 5 times. What does that make? 2 to the power of 5. So yeah. That's basically how you do it. Think of it like stacking Lego bricks. Combine what you already have. Now, rule number 2. Quotient rule. Quotient rule. Quotient rule. Yeah. Quotient rule. When dividing powers with the same base, subtract the exponents. So 5 to the power of 4 divided by 5 to the power of 2 would equal to, like I said, you have to subtract from each other. 4 minus 2 is equal to 2. So it's 5 to the power of 2. I wonder how this works out. Well, if we go right over here, 5, I'll just use dots to save time instead of multiplication symbol. Dots are multiplication symbol from now on. Times 5. And you know that dividing can work as fractions. So 5 times 5. So yeah. Oh, same numbers. I'll use a different color to show that it's canceled out. Oh. So now what you're left with, 1 over 5 times 5. Well, it's really just 5 times 5, right? Only this. Well, we can count, right? 5 times 5 twice. So it's 5 to the power of 2. So that's how you show your work. Yeah, it's like canceling out extra toppings on a pizza. Only keep what's left. Now we have I'll use a different color. Red. Now we have the power rule. Power rule. If you raise the power to another power, what would you do? So 3 to the power of 2. What would you do? Would you do 9 to the power of 3? Well, there's a simpler way. You just multiply these. So 6, right? 6. Because if you multiply 2 times 3, then you get 3 to the power of 6. And if you do this, then you should get the same answer as this. But when you have to solve the questions, then you would want to do this, because most of the questions are based on this instead of doing this. So yeah, let's move on. Next rule is the zero exponent rule. Since zero, the zero exponent rule. I don't want to write rule, but okay, exponent. Exponent. Sorry, I have to use a mouse pad. I have an iPad, but the recording quality is really bad, so yeah. So I decided to use this. Uh, this looks very weird. Exponent. Yeah, there we go. This is really important. So yeah, here's cool one. Anything to raise the power of 0 equals to 1. 3 to the power of 0 is 1. Even 100 to the power of 0 is 1. But then, look. What's 0 to the power of 0? Oh, wait, I meant, what's 0 to the power of 0? Yeah. That's what I meant. It's undetermined. So you simply write undetermined. Undefined. Yeah. It's not really chosen. Anyway, yeah. It's like resetting your Wi-Fi. No matter how big the number, it all goes back to 1. Negative exponent rules. A negative exponent just means flip it, the denominator. So yeah, 2 to the power of negative 3. For you say it's negative 8. Let me just say, it's wrong. It's not right. It's not right. It's not right! Anyway, so yeah, how would you do this? Well, like I said, you have to flip it to the denominator. So 2 goes to the denominator, and since there's nothing, it's like 2 over 1. You just flip the numbers. Here, to the power of 3, which is equal to 1 over 8. Think of it like moving a character to the other side on the screen in the game. And that's the wrap on the easy exponent rules. Remember, add for multiplication, subtract for division, multiply for powers, and 0 means 1. Simple, right? For negative, you just flip it. If this helped, give it a thumbs up, hit the subscribe button, and comment on your favorite rule below. See you next time. Have a wonderful day. Thank you guys. Please subscribe.